Guys, today I'm sharing red beans and rice soup recipe with you guys. It's gonna be delicious, it's gonna be awesome. First thing first, we are going to add the rice in the pan. Add some water. Take fresh garlic. Take some salt. Some of the carom seeds. Take some part of the bell pepper. So here we have to wait at least 5 minutes so it gets boiled. So in the 5 minutes wait time, we can munch on some peanuts. And these are organic peanuts. Do you guys remove the skin from the peanuts? Sometimes I don't care, I just eat with the skin, the red skin on the peanuts. So it's been 5 minutes. Now we can add our red beans in there. So these are canned beans. Here it's kind of a waiting game. We have to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes. To make the process faster, we can chop our spring onion now. Chop the cilantro. So it's been 20 minutes. It has been cooking on a very slow flame. I did add a little bit water more in there. So now guys, we're gonna add our rest of the ingredients. Add the green onions and the cilantro and some tomato sauce. Some of the black pepper. Give it a stir, and in 5 minutes it will be all done, guys. Let me dish this out then, and I will show you the final product. So it's all beautifully done. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this is the best simple homemade clean soup, rice and bean soup recipe. It's a winter recipe. You definitely should try this recipe. Share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another great video. Until then, bye now. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. Delicious. This came out so fresh. I mean, the ingredients, they are the key.